Who has been recently appointed as the new Space Secretary and the Chairman of ISRO? Correct answer, option C. V. Narayanan. How many players were honored with the Khel Ratna Award 2025? Right answer is option B. 4. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Central Reserve Police Force, CRPF? Correct answer is option C. Gyanendra Pratap Singh. Who has become the world's youngest chess champion recently? Right answer is option B. D. Gukesh. Who was recently appointed as the CEO of UIDAI? Correct answer is option A. Bhuvanesh Kumar. Which city was the host of the 18th Pravasi Bhartiya Divas 2025? Right answer is option C. Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Which country has officially joined the BRICS as a full member in January 2025? Correct answer is option C. Indonesia. The president of which country was the chief guest for India's 76th Republic Day 2025? Correct answer is option D. Indonesia. Which country will host World Audio Visual and Entertainment Summit, WAVES, 2025? Right answer is option B. India. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of DGCA, Directorate General of Civil Aviation? Correct answer is option C. Faiz Ahmad Kidwai. Who has been appointed as the 26th Governor of RBI? Correct answer is option B. Sanjay Malhotra. Which city has been announced as the second capital of Assam? Correct answer is option B. Dibrugarh. Who has been appointed as the 26th Chief Election Commissioner in February 2025? Correct answer is option C. Gyanesh Kumar. Who was honored with the BCCI's Lifetime Achievement Award 2025? Correct answer is option B. Sachin Tendulkar. Which state has become the first state to implement the Uniform Civil Code after independence? Correct answer is option C. Uttarakhand. Who won gold medal in the women's 75 kg boxing event at the National Games 2025? Correct answer is option A. Lovlina Borgohain. Which Indian American singer won the 67th Grammy Award for the album Triveni? Correct answer is option B. Chandrika Tandon. Bart the Weaver has been elected as the Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option A. Belgium. Who has topped the medal tally of 38th National Games 2025? Correct answer is option B. Services Sports Control Board. Madhav National Park, the 58th Tiger Reserve of India, is located in which state? Right answer option B. Madhya Pradesh. Which country will host the 17th BRICS Summit in 2025? Correct answer is option C. Brazil. Who has been appointed as the 51st Chief Justice of India? Correct answer is option C. Sanjeev Khanna. What is India's rank in the Corruption Perception Index released in February 2025? Correct answer is option D. 96th rank. Who won the Booker Prize 2024 for her novel, Orbital? Correct answer option B. Samantha Harvey. Who has been appointed as the Chief of National Crime Records Bureau, NCRB? Correct answer is option B. Alok Ranjan. Who was honored with the Pauli Umrigar at the BCCI Awards 2025? Correct answer is option C. Jasprit Bumrah. What was the theme of the Union Budget 2025-26? Correct answer option C. Sabka Vikas. Who has been awarded the prestigious Abel Prize 2025? Right answer is option B. Masaki Kashiwara. Which country has recently joined OPEC+? Correct answer is option C. Brazil. Who has been appointed as the Director of FBI? Correct answer is option C. Kash Patel. Who was sworn in as Ghana's president for the third time in January 2025? Correct answer is option B, John Mahama. Which country will host the ASEAN Summit 2025? Correct answer is option B, Malaysia. Where was India's first green hydrogen hub project launched recently? Correct answer is option A, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Who has been elected as the president of the Athletics Federation of India? Correct answer is option C, Bahadur Singh Sagu. What is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index 2025? Correct answer is option B, 85th rank. Which state won the Santosh Trophy National Football Championship title recently? Correct answer is option A, West Bengal. The Defense Ministry has declared 2025 as the year of. Correct answer is option A, defense reforms. Which team won the 11th Pro Kabaddi League title held in December 2024? Correct answer is option B, Haryana Steelers. Who becomes the youngest female to climb the highest peaks in all 7 continents? Correct answer is option B, Kamya Karthikeyan. Who has been appointed as the Secretary General of ASSOCHAM? Correct answer is option C, Manish Sindhal. Who has been honored with the prestigious Sir Garfield Sobers Award for ICC Men's Cricketer of the Year 2024? Correct answer is option C, Jasprit Bumrah. Who has won the title of Indian Snooker Championship 2025? Correct answer is option C, Pankaj Advani. Which neighboring country of India has launched the Operation Devil Hunt to tackle violence? Correct answer is option B, Bangladesh. Hisashi Takuch has been appointed as the MD and CEO of which company? Correct answer is option D, Maruti Suzuki India. India has won ICC Champions Trophy 2025 by defeating which country? Correct answer is option C, New Zealand. Which state has the highest number of vultures according to the recent census? Correct answer is option D, Madhya Pradesh. Who has become the Indian wicket-keeper who has scored the most runs T20 cricket? Correct answer is option A, Dinesh Karthik. Who has been appointed as the chairman of SEBI in February 2025? Correct answer is option A, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. Who is the present governor of Manipur? Correct answer is option B, Ajay Kumar Bhalla. Who has won the Women's Hockey India League 2024-25? Correct answer is option C, Odisha Warriors. Dmitry Bakanov has become the Director General of which country's state-run space agency? Right answer is option B, Russia. Who won the gold medal in Syed Modi International Badminton Championship? Correct answer is option B, PV Sindhu. Who won the Best Actor award at the Oscars for his role in The Brutalist? Right answer is option A, Adrian Brody. Who won the Best Actress award at the Oscars for her role in Anora? Right answer is option C, Mikey Madison. In which country the annual meeting of World Economic Forum 2025 has been organized? Right answer option C, Davos, Switzerland. Who has been appointed as the new Controller and Auditor General of India? Correct answer is option B, K. Sanjay Murthy. Who has become the first woman president of the International Olympic Committee? Correct answer is option A, Kirsty Coventry. Who has been appointed as the new Finance Secretary of India? Correct answer is option C, Ajay Seth. Who has become the first ever brand ambassador of Federal Bank? Correct answer is option C, Vidya Balan. Which team won the 2025 Women's Premier League? Correct answer is option C, Mumbai Indians. Where has Tamu Loza festival recently celebrated? Correct answer is option B, Nepal. Stumped is the autobiography of? Correct answer is option D, Syed Kirmani. Who won the Best Men's Hockey Player of the Year award at the Hockey India Annual Awards 2024? Right answer is option A, Harmanpreet Singh.